Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today from Michelle Riaz. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. There's always going to be people doubting. It's what they do. They either get a kick out of it or they do it because they feel so bad about their own lives. If they mock you, it takes the focus off their sad life. So, just get yourself out there, prove everyone wrong, be the best you can, push yourself so hard that the time you even look back at yourself, all those haters and all those doubters are just whispers in the past.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.